Everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at something I got in from Apex Gun Parts. I don't know if you guys paid attention to an email that you probably got, I don't know, maybe a week ago. They had some mixed manufacturer AR-15 uppers. You had the option of getting these with charging handles, bolt carriers, all kinds of fun stuff, or you could just get just the upper with the barrel, with the gas tube, gas block, and handguards. They had a bunch of different ones out there. They had some that were key mods. They had some that were M-Lok. They had some with longer barrels, short barrels. They had some with that were Cerakoted with all kinds of different colors. Some of them actually looked like Nerf guns, which is kind of funny. But what I was able to get in on was it was a short barrel M-Lok. They said some of the screws may be loose or this or that and the other. I have no idea what I'm getting into. I did not get to hand pick anything. It's basically luck of the draw, however you want to say that. They did have them. They were $125. So if you think about it and you think about parts, just the upper receiver barrel, stuff like that, the parts are worth it. Even if you don't count the handguard, the parts are worth it. I have no idea the condition. I don't know anything about them. I just figured, what the heck? Let's check it out and see what in the world I'm actually getting myself into. Because like I said, I have no idea what to expect here. I really don't. Could be good, could be bad. But without further ado, oh, by the way, at the time of this filming, I just got an email, I think yesterday or today. Today is September the 12th. At the time of this filming, they did have some of these in stock. They had the key mod ones. I'm not a fan of key mod because there's not really a set standard on key mod. Some key mod stuff will fit one handguard, some won't. So I just go with standard M-Lok. So without further ado, let's check it out. Let's see what I got. So that hopefully you guys, if you want to get something like this from Apex, you can make an informed decision. Because I'm all about that. Because it stinks to make a decision without knowing what you can expect. Get the backing clip out of there. Yep, it was $125. Unfortunately, I did have to pay for shipping and tax. So by the time it was all said and done, it was 150 bucks. So this may not be such a great deal, according to whatever you guys think. I just know it's a short barrel. It is a pistol upper. So let's check it out. Like I said, could be good. Could be bad. Could be very bad. I have no idea. But sometimes I enjoy doing stuff like this. Oh wow. This is pretty cool. Okay. So here it is. It is sealed in this bag. There it is. 7.5 inch with M-Lok handguard. What's really nice, and I don't know how good these sights are, I don't know if you guys noticed this, but this joker actually came with a front and rear sight, flip up sights. It's probably going to be beat up some. They might have used these for demonstration models, I don't know. Okay, so nothing fancy here, it's just a Diamondback handguard. A little beat up, but that's okay. A little bit of scuff marks back here on the receiver right there at the forward assist. A little bit of scuffs here. You can actually get some aluminum black and make that look, you can kind of touch that up a little bit. You can see that the gas tube or gas block is present in there along with the gas tube. Standard A2 flash hider. I have no idea what kind of flip up sights these are. They look relatively cheap, which I kind of expected that. It does have your dual aperture. It's got your windage adjustment there on the back. One thing I didn't realize is kind of funny. It does have a caliber marked dust cover. I don't know if the barrel is actually marked because that handguard is covering it. I would assume it's a 5.56 barrel. It's going to either be 5.56 or 2.23 or 2.23 Wild. I just don't know exactly which one. unless I pull this off, but it looks like this thing is definitely on there good and tight, which is not a bad looking, realistically, it's not a bad looking pistol upper. I just wanted to get it just for grins. Let me pause the camera and take a little bit closer look at this. Hey guys, we're back. Sorry, I just want to take a quick look at that barrel. I was shining a flashlight in there off camera. I did not see where the barrel is caliber marked. However, I would indeed assume that this is a 5.56. I'll probably check it. I could check it with headspace gauge just to make sure that is indeed an accurate statement. I would probably actually recommend that, guys, to be honest. Now, looking at the barrel, picture up here, super nice rifling. The barrel's in great, looks like it's in great shape. Like I said, it's just kind of dinged up and scuffed up. It looks like they might have gotten these bolts a little bit too tight on the bottom here, or these screws. But, you know, it's been dinged up a little bit, but I don't think it's anything to affect the functionality. And I actually wasn't expecting to get sights with it. I don't know if these are any good. It looks like they have ball bearings in there. Just kind of looks like a cheap sight. I have no idea who made them. There's no markings on them whatsoever. They could be just some cheap sights. But you know, for 150 bucks for AR pistol upper, I mean, I think that's pretty cool. Pleasantly surprised with it, to be honest. Like I said, at the time of this filming, they do have some of these still in stock. In particular, the key mod ones. I don't think they have any more of the M-Loks, but just keep a check on their website. You guys are smart. You know how to go out and search for that kind of stuff. I can't tell you where it's at. Google will pull my video, so there you go. Thank you, Google. Or thank you, YouTube, rather. YouTube will pull my video. I didn't state that correctly. Of course, once again, as you guys always know, I'm not sponsored or endorsed by anyone because I have no sponsorship. So I'm not that, shall we say, well known. So anyway, just want to share this with you guys. If you're thinking about getting one, so you kind of would have an idea of what to expect. Your mileage may vary. I do always share that disclaimer because you never know what you're going to get, but this would at least give you a general idea of what you could expect. So plenty more content on the way, guys. As a matter of fact, I did get my Pioneer Arms 20-inch Sporter AK in, and while I was at it, I actually bought a cheap shotgun that gun shop was running on special that I didn't intend on getting, but it was so cheap, I was like, well, you know what, I'm just going to get it. It's just going to be a beater gun to throw in the car, the truck, whatever, when you go camping, you know, anything like that. I'll show you about that too. It's going to be actually a TriStar Cobra 3. I know it's a cheap Turkish-made shotgun, but I mean, if it works, it works. So I'll be probably showing that off in another video. Of course, like I said, plenty more content. We're going to take a look at those Pioneer AKs. There's been a lot of talk about those recently, especially in the last year or two, in terms of quality, about them switching from cast trunnions to forged trunnions. They went through the same growing pains as what PSA and Riley Defense went through. So I'm thinking they've got some better products now. As a matter of fact, if you guys are curious in terms of whether those are good or not, be sure to check out Clay County's video, or Clayco's video. When I drop that video, I'll make sure and put a link in the description to his video on that Pioneer Arms AK. I think he did a meltdown test on it, or burn down test, whatever you want to call it. But you know, I'm pleasantly surprised with this. I mean, for the money, you can't shake a stick at it, because you're going to spend that. You're going to spend more than that on the parts that are on here. I know, because I've built plenty of these uppers over the years. I know Diamondback is a little bit cheaper handguard, but that's fine. But anyway, just wanted to share this with you guys. Kind of give you an idea of what you could expect if you looked into something like this and saw it. But as always, thank you to all my subscribers. Thank everybody for your likes, your shares, your comments. You help out the channel more than you or I will ever know, thanks to the wonderful YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't subscribed, consider it. It definitely helps to make sure that this stuff gets put out more in the feed. And make sure you hit the bell to sign up for notifications anytime I put content like this out, whether it's related to firearms refurbishment, deals, just showing off some cool stuff, whatever. So thanks everybody for watching, and until next time, you guys have a great day.